Hi, my name is Kate. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. I'm here today to talk about one of my favorite brands, Dôen. I finally got my order from them, so I ordered two things from them, well, two orders. I ordered something new and I have 4 items from their flash sale, so it was amazing. I'm so lucky. It was a crazy flash sale. So what happened was my daughter woke up. I have 2 babies. My 2-year-old woke up and she woke up at like 4 o'clock, and I was just browsing on the Doan website and I saw the flash sale before anyone else did, so I got to grab 4 items at amazing prices. I'm going to tell you exactly what I paid for them in Canada and USD because I'm Canadian. And yeah, I'll just get going on everything that I got. I'm so happy. I actually got, hold on, 1, 2, 3, 4. I have another item, the Thistle top. So I have 6 items to show you. I got something else that I haven't shown you here, but I showed you on IGTV. So if you follow me on Instagram, you'd seen me unbox the Thistle top, which I got secondhand. So someone bought it at their original sample sale in LA and was selling it. So I got it there, new with tags, and yeah, another top that I love. So I'm actually going to start with, yeah, I'll start with that one. So this is the Thistle top. And it is in the mustard Japur Flora, which I already have in the rose top over here. It has these really beautiful covered buttons on one side and loops on the other, so you can do it up technically. This is also a similar style to the dress version, which I forget the name of right now. Maybe it'll come to me. Nope, didn't come to me. But this has a really lovely blouse-in sleeve and it has elastic, so I really love the elastics. Again, I have 2 little girls, so I love being able to just roll my sleeves up, but it's drama. This is a drama of a sleeve. So it's very comfortable. It is cotton and viscose. This material isn't necessarily this fabric isn't available with them anymore. There's a blue autumn plaid, which is this, and I have this in the belly, and I'll show you that in a bit. But I think that one is absolutely beautiful. If I didn't like this top, I would have gotten the Thistle in that fabric because I love this top so much, and the fabric, that fabric's really soft. But this is 52% cotton and 48% viscose and dry clean only, like most of their stuff. If you have any questions about how to clean these things, I mostly dry clean, but I did a vlog where I talk about everything, and I'll link that up here and in the notes below. But and I also got this in an extra small. So I am 5'3". I weigh around 130 pounds, and I wear around a size 4 to a 6, sometimes a size 2 because I have really shallow shoulders. So I'll show you what everything looks like on. So like right now, I'll show you what the Thistle top looks like on. But I love this. I love this untucked. I love this tucked in. And I'll tell you the place where I got this secondhand. It's called Noisaf Bazaar, and it's through Instagram. So I'll link that there, and it was a lucky find. My favorite way to wear it is tucked in into high-waisted jeans. I think that looks really lovely. I love the sleeves on this. I think this is just a really romantic top, but also really practical. This print is really practical. Like I said, I have it in the rose top, so I wear it around my children all the time, and I'm just so happy to have this for fall. This is one of their spring fabrics that they came out with, but I think it works so well for this season, and it just seems very timeless. I think florals are completely classic. On to my newest item, which is brand new. It's sold out currently with Doan, but you can sign up to get notifications, which work, because I've gotten a few notifications and bought a few things, including the Primrose dress, which is actually, I unboxed in my other IGTV video, and I'll link that below too. So I sent that one back, unfortunately, but you can, if you have any questions about that, you can ask me, or you can check that video out below. So this is the Billy top in blue autumn plaid, and it is so soft. I wanted a grown-up plaid shirt. I think I mentioned in a couple vlogs ago that as a true Canadian, plaid shirt is kind of a uniform. So I wanted something that I felt a little girly in, and you can see with this little collar that this is very sweet. They style it on the website opened up, and then they also mention, I have the note here, it's really cute. The naive ruffled collar can be done up and tied in a bow for a 1960s schoolgirl vibe. So I'm going to make a whole video on how to style a plaid shirt because I love the versatility of this, and that is why I love Doan, is because you can wear their things, especially their tops, like at least 2 ways. So I find that very versatile, and I think that's just a great idea to make any like item, like classic and like more wearable in your closet. So I'm going to style this a couple different ways, but I will show you what it looks like tucked into high-waisted jeans and opened up. I think this is just a very sweet top. It's very comfortable. My husband made fun of me. I showed him, I did my little fashion show because I just got these yesterday, and he told me I look like a scarecrow in it. So if you know my husband, he's hilarious, and he always compares me to things like I look like a couch or a teddy bear or something. So it's a loving thing, I promise, and it doesn't stop me from wearing what I love. So take that, husband. But I love this so much. The sleeve. Okay, so I'm going to talk about the sleeve length in this. Like I said, I'm 5'3", so I'm a petite person. I have the rose top, and if you also have the rose top, I think a lot of you do. The sleeves are comparable. This sleeve is just a little bit longer, but I also wanted to mention they have two styles. So they have the Billy top, which is what I have here, and then they have the Billy jean, which is part of their new line. And I've compared the sleeve length online and just what the difference is, because they look very similar. When you compare like the captions and the descriptions of each item, they say pretty much the same thing, so I wasn't sure what the difference was, but it's in the measurements. So the Billy jean, which is the one in the Prairie Paisley, is 2 inches less room in the bust than the Billy. So the Billy is a little bit more roomy in the bust. These are pretty blouse and tops anyway. My bust is B34, but if that is something that you are concerned with, so keep that in mind, that this one has more room in the bust. And then the sleeve length is on the Billy jean is 2 inches longer than the Billy. So this has a shorter sleeve length. So if you're a petite person and sleeve length is something that you're concerned with, I think this will work for you. I'm going to try this one on and the rose tops just so you can see and compare the sleeve length on there and see like if it'll work for you too. So I really love the tie sleeve, and I really like the short sleeve for me. If you look on the model, who is like 5'11", like it's almost to her elbow. But I think it works at that length too. But as a petite person, I would like something just a little bit shorter, longer, but more proportionate for my body. So really love this one. I think it's so sweet, and I'm so excited to style this for fall, look like my little scarecrow, and then use this for a video as inspiration to style this a couple different ways. So look out for that. Okay, the next one is the Luca. So this is the Luca top in the black anemone fabric. Oh, the Billy, this was an original price. I got this for $160 Canadian, and I think that roughly goes to $125 USD. And the Thistle top I paid like secondhand price, but I paid $130 Canadian, which is $100 USD. So, but that was through a secondhand dealer site. So this is the first item from the sample sale that I'm going to show you. So this is the Luca top, and this is a busy top. So this is in the black anemone floral, which I also own in the Carnation Dress, which I love. This was my go-to dress for the summer. It kept me so cool. Whenever I was too hot and I was like, I can't put pants on today, this is what I wore. It was like wearing this like the breeziest blanket. It's so beautiful. I love a dark floral. I think dark floral can be worn any season. So I was really happy to pick up the Luca. The only disappointment I have in this is I thought I could wear it a couple different ways. So you'll see on the model of the new, there's one new print that's also a dark floral, and you'll see on her that she does up the waist, so she kind of creates a peplum. And then if you can't see the picture of how this was styled anymore, but on Alex Noire, who was their model who modeled this one, she had it tucked into high-waisted jeans, and I thought that looked amazing, and that's my favorite way to wear it. So this has a lot going on. It has two rows of ruffles. It has pleats in the front and a button neck, and then it has a long sleeve with ties and elastic sleeves. So like hallelujah, I love elastic sleeves, and they don't mention that this has an elastic sleeve, so that was like a super happy surprise, but one of my favorite details as a mama. And then it has this tie which you can tie in the back, which I have here, and then it ties around. I'll show you what this looks like on. But I was kind of disappointed because I thought I could wear it a couple different ways, but my favorite way of wearing it is tucked into high-waisted jeans, like the model who modeled this one, which isn't terrible. Like, I just have like high standards when it comes to wearing my items. I want to wear them like a million different ways to make them go longer and make it seem like I'm wearing something different throughout the week, even though I wear the same clothes all the time. But I love this. I think this is beautiful, and I'm so happy to have it in my collection. And there is, yeah, a new version, a new dark version available right now at full price, which is I think around $221. So for the Luca, I paid $72 Canadian, which is 55 USD, and right now it's on the site for $221. Oh, so right now it's on the site for $165 USD, which is $221 Canadian. So it's high, it's beautiful, but I'm not sure if they're gonna have a sample sale, but I'll show you what it looks like on if that is something that you have your eye on, because I think it's so pretty. And I think I could probably find a way to wear it with using the peplum, maybe with black pants, but right now it seems a little bit overwhelming on me, but absolutely love that. I'm very happy to have that in my collection. So next up are probably one of the items that I first discovered about Doan. I follow this one Instagrammer. Her name is Taylor Sterling. She's based out of California, and Doan is in California, so she knew about the brand and basically introduced me to the brand. I don't know her personally, but through following her, she's introduced me to a couple cool brands. And she owns, I think, these, and I'm not sure if she owns them in this color, but these are the Velvet Mary Janes from Doan, and I love them. I think they are so beautiful. I want to look like a ballerina all day, so this is this is my dream come true in a shoe. This is my Cinderella shoe. But they're absolutely beautiful. So they are velvet, and then they say they have a leather sole, which I think has to be protected. I should go to my shoe guy and see how that works, but it's also leather on the inside. I got these in a size 7, so I am normally a 7.5. They don't have half sizes. That's like, I have like so many nightmare moments where I've ordered shoes online and they don't work. Everlane is my favorite place to get shoes if you were just like looking for something with a half size. And then Cezanne doesn't do half sizes, so I have a tough time with them. And anyway, that's my sob story. I have a whole video on how I tried on Cezanne shoe and like cried. I didn't actually cry, but it was a really sad time when I had to return these beautiful shoes. So I'll link that if you want to see it. But otherwise, these are the golden velvet, and I got them in a size 7, and they fit perfectly. And I'm so happy because it was such a risk, because again, I don't usually fit into a size 7. Usually I have to go up a size to a size 8. But I'm a true 7.5, which sounds very strange to say, but a lot of brands don't have them. Everlane, again, I'm a true 7.5 there, and I love their shoes. They're really good quality. And these are, I'm so happy that I can fit into a size 7 at Doan, and I can't wait to get more when they're on sale or when I have some sort of discount code. But these I got for $130 Canadian, which is $100 USD, and they are originally $195 USD, which comes to $260 Canadian. So these are like $260 shoes, and I just wasn't ever prepared to pay that much for shoes. And I saw these and I was like, they look really delicate. They look like ballet slippers, so I'm not sure how wearable they would be. But once you have them on and in your hand, they are made really nicely. And so I'm so impressed with these. I do want another pair. They have a black pair, so these are back up to the original price. They have them in pink, this really rusty like red color, which I originally wanted, but the size wasn't available. And then they have it in black velvet. So I think they're beautiful. Sorry, I'm just like, I'm having a moment with these because I think they're stunning, and I'm so happy I have them. And I definitely like think I'm gonna get some more of these when my budget allows for that. But very happy with them. On the listing, it does say to size down, so I think that was accurate. It says fits true to size, and then it says if between sizes, size down. And I thought that was kind of funny because I feel like these fit big. So if you're a 7.5, if you're a half size like above, I would go down a half size if you can. Otherwise, these are a big size 7, but you still might be able to get away with it because you have this ankle strap to keep everything on. So absolutely love them. I wish I got them in the pink because they were also available, so I should have done that. So I'm gonna have my eye out. If anyone out there, all my friends out there, see these in a size 7 online from someone who wasn't happy with them, who ordered them from the sample sale, please let me know, because I just want all of these now. So, and then the last thing, I was burned a lot last season with knits. I bought a couple of things from Aritzia, and the quality wasn't there. I was just really disappointed. And so I didn't buy anything until I started buying stuff from St. Zan, and I really like their knits. And then I saw this one, and this sweater, this is the bee sweater. And it is in the color Pink Cloud, and it honestly feels like a cloud. Well, it's substantial, like it feels like heaven. It's so beautiful. So I saw this. I saw this at the pop-up in the Normal Boutique. I have a vlog where I tried on a whole bunch of Doan stuff here in Toronto. And I didn't even try it on because it is $450 Canadian. And I'm like, there's no way I can buy this thing. There's absolutely no way. And the price I got it for is, I got it for $160 Canadian, which is $125 USD. So I got such a deal on this. This is in the size XS, extra small / small, and then they have medium and large, so they combine the two smallest sizes. So I got this for more than 50% off, and I love it. It is 96% cotton and 4% polyester, so it feels amazing. And then they describe it on the site, cozily substantial without feeling heavy. And I was wearing this last night, and I wanted to fall asleep in it. I was like, I'm not getting out of this. Like, it is so comfortable, and it does feel substantial. Like, it feels like a nice knit. I've never had a knit this nice before, so I know that it is good quality, and it feels like you know when you have like a really nice heavy like duvet or something on that just like instantly calms you. That's what this sweater is. It is like something so nice. You just sit down with a cup of tea and you're just like zen. Like, it's so lovely. So I'm so happy to have this. I think I might get another sweater in their fall release, which is coming up in a couple weeks, because I love it so much. Definitely won't pay $500 for it, but this is beautiful. And then like this, I have to give you a shot of what this fabric looks like. So the knit is like multicolored, but mostly pink. So it's just this kind of like beautiful pink with like confetti rainbow in it, and I'm so happy with it. So that's it, I think. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up so I know you like it, and subscribe below if you haven't yet. I have quite the Doan collection. I have a whole video on my Doan collection, so I will show you that above. I will link that above. But it's one of my favorite brands, and it is just beautiful, and I'm so happy to add more to my collection at such great prices. So if you have any questions below, let me know if you guys see any of these like online, like secondhand or something. I have a lot of people ask me questions about something before they buy a secondhand, because you can't usually return anything. So ask me all the questions you want here, and on Instagram. I love connecting with everyone through there. I'm at Kait Bos on Instagram too, and I will link that below. And have a good day. I'll talk to you soon.